Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers are platform by subscribes and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Yes guys, lots of great deals here, especially this DeWalt. You get 30 off and $50 off. The ones to the right, you got the rocket light or the tower light, $179. You got the SDS Max or SDS Plus, $249. You got two tool combos there for $249. You got a sander for $99. You got a circ saw for $139. You got a jigsaw for $169. You got a 4 amp hour battery for $99. You got an impact wrench for $169. You got a router for $169. And then you got a two tool combo kit there at the bottom. The XR, so top of the line, $219. It's a pretty good deal. And I gotta say, some of these are very good, especially the reciprocating, not the reciprocating saw, the SDS Plus. That was a really good one. You got the rapid load countersink set of 3, so $19.97. Then you got the router. Obviously, it's not that price. It's $169. Then you got the flex volt reciprocating saw with the 9 amp hour battery for $299. Not a bad little deal there. And if you could get a discount, even better, a 10% discount. You get the circ saw there for $299 with the battery. And then you got a fan there for $99. That's the newer fan. That's the jigsaw there for $169. Then you got the router for $169. So not too bad deal. Yeah, they got a lot of these. They're stocked. They're up on these in this store actually. So $219 for the made in the USA impact driver drill driver. All right, you got this black and gold kit, 10 piece, $9.97, and that's it right there. It is a black and gold, so it's kind of like the starter kit for DeWalt, the lower end probably. And you got the atomic impact driver drill driver. Alright, got some Ryobi deals here. You got a router for $69, got a battery kit for $79, you got a vacuum for $99. If you buy the $179 kit, you're gonna get that 1.5 amp hour battery. So that's a really good deal on that, especially if you're just a DIY or something, like, you know, doing projects around the house. Then you got the better little combo here with better batteries. Obviously, you're gonna get two 1.5s with the other kit. This one you're going to get 2 amp hour batteries, plus you're going to get the HP batteries. So it's $199. $199, you're going to get the HP tools, and then you're going to get that battery at the bottom, which is the 2 amp hour battery, same as the one that you get included in the kit. Alright, that's the $199 deal that you have to buy so you guys could get that battery for free. That's the smaller battery you can get with the $179. That's the $179 kit. So if you want to return the battery and keep the kit, obviously you're going to get a discounted, prorated discounted price. You got the router there. You got the vacuum there. I know it's the boxes turn around, but that's the vacuum for $99. Pretty nice. You got a miter saw set, 12-inch miter saw, $249, and then you got a 7 1/4 there for $149. Alright, you got the buy one get one free from Milwaukee M12. So you got the $229 for the 2-tool combo kit, $229 for the installation driver. So these are all kits, come with batteries and chargers. And then you can get the reciprocating saw hacksaw kit, $179. You can get any, if you buy any of those tools on the left, you get any of these on the right. You can select one. You can select the ratchet, the battery, the oscillating tool, or in the right angle drill there. So pretty nice deals, especially if you're already on this line. That's a right angle drill, so pretty nice. And then this one's really nice too. That's the ratchet. So if you do DIY at home, this is the perfect tool for you guys. Got oscillating tool here, Milwaukee, pretty solid. Alright, the Packout. I don't know if they're gonna have a sale on the Packout. It looks like they are. But the prices are skyrocket high. Let me know down in the comment section what prices do you guys see, or do you guys know of any deals that are coming up? So 89, 139 for the rolling toolbox. That's way too expensive right there. Alright, you got winters around the corner, so they're stocking up on their winter's clothing here. They got some shorts there for $34.99. Carhartt. So they got all kinds of colors here, and that's the relaxed fit, the model number, and everything of the. Then they got the Milwaukee hoodies, pretty nice. They're not too bad. They're actually $49.99, so they're not too bad. Carhartts are usually a little bit more expensive than Milwaukee's. Then they got the gray ones here for $49.97. I really like the red that stands out from the gray. Pretty nice. Then they got the Carhartt shirts here. I think they're the long sleeve. Medium navy, $29.99. Then they got the shirts here from Milwaukee. The t-shirts. And I couldn't find the price on these. And then I had, this is the used tool section. You know how you can rent a tool in Home Depot where they have a sale for a used tool section. So you got the regular price $1,500 and it's down to $907. And then regular price on this was $2,278 and it's down to $1,051. That's the Honda generator there. So it's pretty nice generator. And they got this one, 4,508. It's down to 1,646. Alright, they got the buy one get one free from Milwaukee. This is a really good deal. I personally have the light there to the 199 light. So you buy any of those tools on the left, you get that 5 amp hour battery for free. You buy any of those tools on the right, you can get a 2 amp hour battery for free. So I would definitely try and get the most expensive. Those are the better tools. If you guys want to return the batteries and keep the tool at a discounted price, you guys could do so, but that's up to you. Personally, I think that's a really good deal still. Even with those batteries, those are great tools. Even those cheaper ones here, they're pretty good for the DIY. Even for the professional, some of those tools are pretty good. That's the 2 amp hour battery for $89. That's one of the ones you get for free. And then this is something I don't see every day. So you got a cord angle grinder for $169. It's rare to see something like this. Usually you see the fuel angle grinders. That's the battery there. Alright, that's the brush kit that you guys could get for $199, and then you can get a battery. And then that's the angle grinder for $179. That's an impact wrench kit for $299. I believe that's the smaller one. And then you got the sander there for $119. Then you got the vacuum there for $199. Those are the ones you can get for buy that tool and get the battery for free. Then you got this big kit here with the impact wrench angle grinder. And I can't see the other tool. I don't know if there's another tool included on this. Looks like it is. $14.97 for your choice of any of these blades. It's a 5-pack. You can get the torch, you can get the axe, or the breaker. Now this is a pretty nice deal here. For $39, you get a whole dozer and a Packout. And if you guys see, they tied up the one on the front, but they didn't tie the one on the back. So I don't know what they're trying to do here. Maybe just trying to, you know. You got a 9 amp hour battery here. I was trying to find the price, because usually on the cages where they have all these batteries, they usually have the clearance deals, the good deals on these batteries. So it's always good to check them. Make sure you guys check those yellow tags. See if you see any of those yellow tags. Always look at them. So you got $149 for a 5 amp hour battery. You got 2 4s there for $169. That's from Rigid. Then you got this one, so $44.97 for a 2 amp hour battery from Ryobi. Alright, and then you got this Milwaukee Cobalt drill bit set, 15 piece. So they are for hard metal. Come with a nice case. And you got the measurements there. $34.97, so that's not too bad. They are cobalt. Then they got the MX section. This is a pretty big section that they got here. It's hard to find the MX tools in Home Depot, but this Home Depot does have them. They must have a lot of sales on it. So you got the demolition hammer drill or hammer. So you guys see that thing's huge. And then you got a generator there, the MX generator. Then you got a cutoff tool here. This is a big cutoff tool. Then you got the battery there. So that's the battery that goes on all these tools. So $2,499 for the 14-inch cutoff tool or cutoff saw. And then you got the rocket light. This is the newer rocket light that they have. It's $449. So it's pretty nice. It does have a lot more lumens than the regular rocket light. That's the table saw. And it's $599. Alright, and then they have the chargers. So they got the dual bay rapid chargers. Simultaneously for $119. And then they got the sequential. Personally, I would get the sequential. There's a lot more capacity, like more batteries you guys can put there. The only thing with the sequential, it charges one by one. This one, the dual bay rapid charger, charges both of them at the same time. But I personally like capacity because obviously most of the tools you can only use one battery at a time, so it's no big deal on that. So $154. This is a great clearance deal. I saw a lot of you guys are getting this deal. So this is the Fuel 3/8 metal circ saw, $154. Pretty good deal. Yeah, that's a really good deal. If you guys are metal workers, or if you guys do construction with metal, like rebar and stuff like that, you guys could get something like this and help you cutting those metals. So that's a pretty nice circ saw there. So the M18 metal cutting circ saw was $219, so it's down to $154. Then you got the 9-inch diamond blade, $59.97. This is not on sale. I was just showing you guys. That's the blade that the cutoff saw uses, the smaller one, not the MX. You got the new Milwaukee sockets. These are the metric, $39.97. These are rare to find actually at the stores. I pretty much don't see them in any stores. That's why I just like to go over them at this video. You got the axe and the torque blades. Then you got this a bit on clearance. Basically, I can't talk. So down to $151. It was $159. Then they got this battery was hidden back there. So $99. Now it's down to $79. It's a 4 amp hour HP battery. Then you got the miter saws here. This is the battery operated miter saw. $599 is a 10-inch M18 fuel. And then you got the nicer one. This one's really nice. I wish I could afford it, or maybe one day I'll get them for the channel. But this is of the flex volt miter saw. This is the ultimate 12-inch dual bevel sliding compass miter saw. Flex volts. So I believe it runs on 2 batteries. You got the 3/8 SAE metric ratcheting socket set. It's a 56 piece. This is a really nice set from Milwaukee. If you guys see the sockets are different shaped. Really like the way they shaped them. $24.98. This is a really nice deal here. I've been having trouble finding these at a decent price. This is pretty decent price for those jack stands. Then you got the scope here, scope inspection scope kit, $199. That's it right there at the bottom. And then you got this pump here. It looks really old, but yeah, it's a non-working unit there. You got an air snake drain cleaner air gun kit, $13.99. There's the pump kit at the bottom. You got the drain snake kit, $249. That's the M12 for smaller stuff. And then you got the bigger one here is the M18 fuel drain snake, $3.99. So that is pretty big. So it's for the bigger stuff. And those are the boxes. It does come with a nice case. Then if you buy this Air Snake $3.99, I believe you get that for free. So you get a 6 amp hour battery pack. That's a pretty good deal. And then this was on the wrong, they had the wrong sticker on. It had this sticker. It has the M18 transfer pump sticker. And I believe that's the switch tank. Then I saw this in clearance, $441. Down from $629. It's the Makita 14-inch electric angle. And they got the gas can there for $23 on clearance. They got some gloves there at the right. Then a lot of you are reporting that these are on clearance, but I don't see them on clearance on my stores. So maybe you just keep an eye out for these, and hopefully you'll find some on clearance on your Home Depot. And I found this on clearance, $255. That's the 22-inch walk behind string trimmer. Was $299, so that's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal if you got the the bigger yard that requires a heavier duty weed whacker. Anyways, that's it for today. I just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.